How can I use universal control across my Apple devices? Imagine moving your mouse from your Mac to your iPad without lifting a finger or switching screens. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's actually a feature called universal control, and it makes working across your Apple devices feel like one seamless workspace. If you're setting up a new Mac and want to get the most out of your Apple ecosystem, this is a tool you'll want to know about. First, check if your devices meet the system requirements. Your Mac needs to run macOS Monterey version 12.4 or later, or macOS Ventura. Your iPad should have iPadOS 15.4 or newer. Compatible Macs include models from 2016 and later, like MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Mac Mini, iMac, iMac Pro, Mac Pro, and Mac Studio. For iPads, all iPad Pro models, 6th generation iPads and newer, 3rd generation iPad Air, and 5th generation iPad Mini work perfectly. Next, both devices must be signed into the same Apple ID with two-factor authentication turned on. This ensures they can recognize each other securely. Make sure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and handoff are enabled on both devices. Keep them within about 10 meters or 30 feet of each other for a smooth connection. On your Mac, go to System Settings or System Preferences, then select Displays. Look for the Advanced button or the Universal Control option. Turn it on so your pointer and keyboard can move freely between devices. On your iPad, open Settings, then go to General, followed by AirPlay and Handoff. Enable the cursor and keyboard option. Now arrange your displays. On your Mac, in the Display settings, drag the icons to match how your devices are positioned physically. For example, if your iPad is on the right side of your Mac, place its icon on the right. This makes the cursor move naturally between screens. When everything is set, wake up and unlock your devices. Move your mouse or trackpad toward the edge of your Mac screen in the direction of your iPad. When the cursor reaches the edge, it will appear on the iPad screen. Push the cursor fully onto the iPad to start controlling it. You can drag files, copy and paste text, or type on either device using your Mac's keyboard. Universal control works best when both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and signed into the same Apple ID. It's a fantastic way to extend your workspace without extra hardware. It's especially handy if you want to use your iPad as a secondary screen or control multiple devices without switching peripherals. This feature fits perfectly into the macOS ecosystem, making your workflow more flexible. And like Sidecar, which mirrors or extends your Mac display on the iPad, Universal Control allows you to control each device independently while sharing input controls. When setting up a new Mac, enabling universal control can be part of your plan to create a smooth, connected environment. It's a simple way to boost productivity and keep everything within reach, all with just a few clicks.